Okay, if you're living in South Africa, you need to know these legal facts. These are things you should know. Um, and I don't know why there's not more information out there for you guys, because you're not a lawyer. Apparently, you don't know these things that are true and can be damaging to you in the long run. Number one, if you get married and you do not have an antenuptial contract, so Americans call them prenups, you are married in community of property. In community of property means that if one of you has debt, the creditors can collect from you for that outstanding amount if you're married. Also, when you get divorced, you split the estate, which makes a difference in the long run. But honestly, even happy couples, I'm happily married and I have an antenuptial contract, you should get one. So if you hear of somebody getting married, please tell them. They are expensive, unfortunately. That's what they are. We have to register them. But they're important pieces of paper because they protect you against creditors. So that's number one. Number two, please have a will. Don't think that things are going to be fine if you don't have a will, especially if you have kids under the age of 18. Hear me out. So you have a child that's under the age of 18, right? And you say you don't have a will, okay? You don't have a will, and you then die and your provident fund pays out to your estate. And you've died without a will, so it goes intestate, so your children inherit because you're not married, and for whatever reason, your children inherit, okay? That money goes into the Guardians Fund, which is a government administrated trust. So that means that they get paid by the government. Now, I know all of you can see why that would be problematic in our country, because money goes missing lots. So it's not going to be great. So get a will. I have a DIY will pack. Just send me an email and I will send it to you. Please just fill it in, put your name down and have a will. You need a will. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a series of this, and we're going to go through some of the legal facts that I feel like everybody in South Africa should know, not just people going through divorce or claiming maintenance or anything. These are things that you should know for like general knowledge, for the future, for your kids, for everything. So I'm going to make a series out of this because I realized today, talking to some people at Home Affairs when I did my exam for my marriage to become a marriage officer, that most people don't know these things. And it's really, really important that you do.